Welcome to my home lab. Today we're going to install Ubuntu 26.04 long-time support. We start our video on the website ubuntu.com. You have a lot of information and you can download Ubuntu. You have the desktop, server for Raspberry Pi and other developments. Today we download Ubuntu desktop to install it. Click on it and you can choose for Intel AMD or an ARM processor. I download the Intel version. Download it and voila. The download is starting up. To create a USB stick to install Ubuntu, you can use Etcher. Again, you can download it for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I'm gonna put the USB stick in my server and start the process. I have booted up the computer with our USB and try to install Ubuntu. It's gonna take a moment. I'm gonna speed up the process. First thing we do is to select the language. English is okay for me. Next. Accessibility, but you can try it later. It's okay. Next. The keyboard, for me it's Belgium. So go up. Belgium. Okay. Next. Use a wired connection for me. If you have Wi-Fi, you need to go here. Or no internet. Next. Install Ubuntu. Or if you want to try it first, you can select this one. Install, it's okay. Next. Interactive installation. It's okay for me. Next. The default selection. If you want to try it later, you can do it later, but default, it's okay for me. Next. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Select it. And download and install additional media formats. Also selected. Next. Install Ubuntu alongside Ubuntu 26.4. I have installed Ubuntu already on this computer, but I want to start a fresh install. So erase disk and install Ubuntu. Select it. Next. First, I want to select drive. For me, it's NVMe 0 and 1. Select it. Okay. 1 terabyte. Next. No encryption. If you want encryption, you can select it here. But for me, no encryption is okay. Next. The name. First, my name. The name of the computer. The username. Password. Confirm the password. Require my password to log in. Select it. Next. The time zone. Select Brussels because I live in Belgium. Next. Here we have the review and install. It's gonna take a moment. I come back when everything is finished. And voila, the system is ready. We can restart the system. I remove the USB stick. Click on Restart Now. You have a second message to remove the USB stick. Press Enter. And voila, the system is booting up, and we're going to speed up the process again. For the next step, we're going to select our user and log in with the password. And voila, our system is ready. Here we can select a different desktop. See, changing. Go back. We have Firefox, Files, App Center. Here we can select apps to install. We have Help. And our trash. It's empty because the first time we use it. On the bottom, we have the apps who are installed. On the top, we have our network, nightlight, dark side, power mode. Can power off, restart, log out, and we have the settings from the network, Bluetooth, display, sound, power, multitasking, apps, multi-things, and the system. Here we can set language, date and time, add users, remove desktop, secure, about, and software updates. I'm going to select the software updates and see if we have new updates. See, updated software is available for this computer. Do you want to install it now? Install now. It's always better to install the latest software. You need to go to the password. It's maybe going to take a moment, so I'm going to speed up the process. The software on this computer is now up to date, so we are ready to use it. First, we go to users. See, we only have one user. Unlock it. We have to give the password. And we can add a new user. Click on it. Full name. Give it my name. First name. Username. We can select administrator or now or not. We leave it out. User sets password on first login. We can select a password now. Next. We have to give a password. But if we give it a password who's not good, see, avoid common words. So you cannot give an unsafe password. I'm going to show you how we do that. We go back and set the password on first login and add. So we have a user, a new user. Now, if we log out, You see, we have 2 users. Go back to the first one. We go to the app, go to terminal, and give the new user a password. Give the command sudo pass wd and the name of the user. Enter. We give now a password. In my case, I use password. No, it's unsafe. See, authentication failed. We open our apps, terminal, give the command sudo pass wd for the user. Really? We have to give the password for the sudo. So it's the administrator password. Now we can give the user really a new password. I give it password. It's not safe, but it's okay. You see bad password, but we can retype it. And voila, password updated successfully. So with this command, we can give the user an unsafe password. Go out. We switch user. Try second user. Give the password. Eat here. I'm going to show you. Password. Enter. And voila. We are logged in. And we have the welcome screen. Go next. 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 Select the default or the dark mode. Dark mode like that. Next. And finished. And you can use the new user on Ubuntu. We are at the end of this new video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.